$19.99 for 5 of these. Who paying that? Hello everyone, my name is Sandra and thank you so much for tuning in. All right, y'all, today I'm gonna be opening my first actual subscription box. Now, I've had many of subscriptions in the past. I'm talking about your Netflix, your Hulus, your Disney Pluses, but I've never actually subscribed to like a physical object. This is the first one that's came in. Now, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I went a little subscription crazy. I got like 5 or 6 different subscriptions that are on the way. Today, I'm gonna be opening this Allure box. This was my first box, so I got like $10 off. I ordered this at the end of December, so this is actually the December box. This shipped out like immediately. They were on it. Wait, how do you open it? Okay, this is what it looks like when you open it. Allure has been a touchstone in the beauty industry for more than 30 years. I have heard of Allure like magazine. I think probably like watching like Tyra Banks or something like that. We literally invented beauty journalism back when the first issue of Allure was published. Okay, this is what the box looks like. It smells like front desk older woman, like if you know what I mean. An older like woman in her like 50s maybe that works the front desk of something. That's what it smells like. Give the best gift, an Allure beauty box gift subscription. Oh, I guess they have a men's one too. Maybe I should get that for Justin. Get him his little own subscription box and then we can be like a subscription couple. I'll see if this is something that Justin would even use. If it's not something he would use, then I'm not gonna waste the money. Maybe I'll buy like one and then gift it to him and see if he likes it. And if he likes it, then I'll keep giving it to him. So we'll see. Every month you'll get 100 plus in value, which is good because I'm only paying 25. At least 6 products in each box. 3 or more will be full sized. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out of here are these Aquaphor hand masks. I need these because I have like psoriasis. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have psoriasis on these 3 fingers and it's like stress induced. It makes my fingers like really dry and cracked. I always have flare-ups whenever I have super stressful situations. So I'm definitely gonna try these out. I don't know how much of a change you would notice after just using these one time. I feel like something like this, I'd have to use it multiple times to really see a difference. I'm definitely gonna try these out. I'm tempted to put them on right now. The next thing is a collagen plump and smooth face sheet mask. Now I have like one other mask. I'm trying to like gain up a little collection so that whenever I want to do like skincare night, I can always have a mask. So this is definitely gonna go into the pile. Advanced clean skincare system formulated to balance and calm your skin's fluctuating needs throughout the month. Made with potent, naturally derived ingredients and without the use of toxic or irritating chemicals. Period. It's just so funny seeing AAV on stuff like this, period. Like, okay. I haven't really gotten into like collagen products and things like that. I feel like a lot of this stuff is very scammy. It's like, oh, we're just gonna say like, oh, you can use this and it's gonna give you these effects. And then they show you like a 20-year-old using it and you're just like, well, her skin is already gonna be like that because she's 20. Show me somebody that's like 70 and they start using these and then they start to look 40. Okay, if you show me that, then I will believe in your product. But if you show me this on a 20-year-old skin is gonna do what 20-year-old skin does. I haven't really gotten into the hype of like collagen and all that stuff. I'll definitely give this a try. I just like the feel of sheet masks. It's just a luxurious feeling. Ooh, Fenty. This is so tiny, teeny tiny. I wonder if this is full size. Because if it is, then that's a really teeny tiny full size of anything. This is Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush. Ooh. Daiquiri Dip. That's a very bright red. If you could see, that's a very bright looking red. I do need another blush because the one that I use now, it ain't blushing. And I don't really get the color payoff that I want. Ooh, this is so pretty. Look at that. It's like iridescent. You see that? I love Rihanna stuff. Like I love her foundation. It's actually what I'm wearing right now. Oh, wow. That is very, very red. I don't know how that's gonna look on my skin. Doesn't smell like anything. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. It has a cute little mirror. You can see yourself, a mirror within a mirror. But this is cute. It's cream blush. So I feel like I would have to put that on underneath like any powder. I think that's how you do it. I'm not like a makeup artist or anything like that. But I think for a cream, you would have to put that underneath your powder. So I'm gonna have to try this at a later time. This is a very red color and it's just so cute. It's so teeny tiny and cute. I'm excited to use that. I feel like it'll show up really good on my skin. All right, the next thing I'm gonna pull out of here. Oh, this seems a little, is this something busted in here? Or did this come out of, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like there's like little cream stuff on here. I don't know where it's come from. Is this broken? Oh, I don't know what that is. It doesn't look like it's actually coming out of this. I thought for a second it did. It smells like that old lady smell that I was telling you about. That's what it smells like. I'm gonna just wipe that off. Let me see what this is. Head and Hair Heal Booster Mask. Finishing hair treatments. Then it says it in French or something like that. 3-minute rinse off, 100% vegan and animal friendly. Soothing aloe vera, color guard complex. Recycled packaging, produced in Sweden. Oh, so this is some Swedish stuff. The only thing Swedish I know about is like Swedish fish. I'm gonna be honest with you. If this is full size, I don't know who this is for. Unless it's for somebody that has like really short hair or very thin hair. I'm only gonna get one use out of this. Cause I mean, this isn't my hair, but like underneath it, I got like, you know, my natural hair, and it's not super long, but it's very thick. So if I wanted to really coat my strands with this, it's gonna take the whole bottle. If I do like half, well, not bottle, this is more like a squeezy tube. Even if I try to do like half, I'm not gonna get all my hair coated with this little itty bitty thing. It says it's 1.7 fluid ounces. I mean, this will be okay. I don't really think you'll see too much difference using something one time. We'll see, who knows? Maybe it's magic. Next time I wash my hair today, so I won't be using this for maybe a week. The next thing I see in here is Rose Water Glycerin Hydrating Facial Mist. Dewy, radiant looking skin. Damask roses. And glycerin. Dry to combination skin. Vegan, cruelty-free, free of dyes and alcohol. And it's from the Heritage Store. Never heard of it. But this is what it is. It's pretty. I mean, I can definitely try this one out. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that smells like roses. I don't particularly hate the scent of rose. It's just, I don't really know if that's how I want to smell. The droplets that come out of here are really big. It's not like a fine mist. Like, let me try it again. Maybe it just, the first few pumps, it does that. No, it's not the first few pumps. It's all the pumps. So it comes out in little droplets, little tiny droplets. It's not like a fine mist where you can just feel luxurious. No, this is a bunch of little droplets on your face. The next thing that's in here is some more rose, but it's by Pixie. It's the Pixie Rose Radiance Perfector. Skin Illuminating Enhancer. I don't know what that means. Sheer Rosy Face Lotion to highlight and add a glow. A pearlescent? Is that a word? I've never heard that word before. I don't know what this is. I still don't know what this is. Is this like a highlight? Let me see. It's sealed, which is good. These colors are like giving AKA. Like, you know the AKAs, you get the pink and the green. It's giving AKA. This is so pretty. Rose infused complex in here. Let me see. Hopefully it doesn't smell like roses. I can't smell it, but let's go ahead and try this. Ooh, that is actually really pretty. See that? Like, that's so pretty. Let me see what that does. It adds a little shimmer. You can't really see it on camera. You can see it in the light. I mean, maybe you could use this as like lotion on your face. I don't know, if you want to just like have like a little tiny sparkle to your natural skin. Maybe, like, it didn't really do anything, but maybe that's because, you know, I'm brown girl, okay? I'm a brown girl. I'm not super pale, so maybe this would show up better on someone that is a little bit more fair than I. Next, ooh, this is like pretty to look at. So pretty to look at. Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. This is what this looks like. Oh, it says it has the exact same thing on the back. Anti-wrinkle hydrating day cream. I don't know if the whole collagen thing actually works. I'm gonna need to see results. I'm gonna need to see you, like I said, put this on a 70-year-old and have her look 40 or 50. Okay, it has a nice little safety seal, which is good. Smells like old lady. Nothing against older women. It's just, you know, like they have a particular scent that they go for and it's giving older lady. But this is the little cream, 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. It looks expensive just from the packaging. Like the packaging itself just looks really expensive. This hydrating day cream leaves the complexion looking more radiant. So maybe you could put this on and then put this on and then you got a whole like moisturized, shiny face that you can wear for the day. The last thing, ooh, these little razors by Billy. I don't know who Billy is. Maybe their middle or last name is Jean and they're not your lover. But these look cute. You get 1 razor handle, 5 blade razor. No. That's not what that says. 2 refills. The blades themselves have 5 razors on them. And the holder is magnetic. Ooh. Magnetic holder. That's nice. I already have razors right now that I'm using, so once I run out of those, then I can give these a try and see if they give a nice close shave. Because I'm gonna be honest, the razors that they have for women, they do not by any means cut as close as men's razors. You're wanting a really nice close shave on your legs or your underarms, or you know, you're better off using a men's razor because it's gonna give you a much closer shave. Who knows? Maybe they've heard our cries and they fixed it, and this brand, Billy, has fixed it. That's it. There's nothing else in this box. It's a cute little box. Part of me wants to be a hoarder and keep the boxes so that I can use them for gifts, and I just might. You know, it's just a way to recycle, but then you end up with like boxes on boxes on boxes, and like how often throughout the year are you giving people gifts? I feel like I get these with every single like online order that I get. It's just like a little voucher for wine, $100 off. HelloFresh. I've never tried HelloFresh. I doubt I'm gonna use this. Honestly, I doubt I'm gonna use HelloFresh. So if anyone else wants to get them some HelloFresh, you can use my code. I prefer to just go to the grocery store like old school days, you know, supermarket sweep. There's a little booklet in here that says what everything is worth. And let's go ahead and gag at the prices. You gotta be kidding. Bruh, this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream, y'all, this thing is $93 for 30 milliliters. And I think this is the full 30 milliliters. Yep. This thing right here alone is $93. Who buying that? Who is out here buying $93 cream that is this whittle? Okay, you know what I could do with $93? Like $93, I can buy a whole skincare regimen for $93. Even with this, it's not as much as you think it is, right? Like if you're really good at like quantifying like milliliters and knowing exactly what that is physically, then maybe you get it. But you know, when you look at this, you think that this whole thing is full, but no, it's not. It's got this little magnifying glass that makes it look like it's all this when really it's just this. It's not that much cream in here. And you're telling me that you're paying $93 for this much cream. That's wild. I don't get this rich people life. Next is this Rose Radiant Perfector. This is $18 for 25 milliliters, and this is full size. I would not spend $18 on this, but I will take it in my $16 box, and I will use it. This Maria Nyla Head, or Nyla, Maria Nyla? I don't know. Maria Head and Hair Heal Booster Mask is $9.90 for 50 milliliters. This is full size. $9.90 is actually not that bad. But for something this tiny, I'm thinking like $4. Okay, you could get me for $4. But $9.90, I don't know. I don't know if I'm $9.90 in it with this itty bitty little thing that's gonna only work one time on my thick hair. These Billy razors are $10. I guess for the whole kit. It's just so pretty. It's so dainty. Like you have like girls night and then everyone gets this cute little packet. It's so cute and dainty. This is $15.99 for 5 of these. Who paying that? I'm not gonna pay damn near $16 for 5 masks. For $16, I would want like twice that many masks. Cause that's crazy. That is absolute highway robbery. Bruh, who buying these things? The next thing is this glycerin water. It is $8.49 for 4 ounces. And this is the full size. $8.49 for water droplets on your face that smell like roses. no thank you. If you have locks, this would actually be kind of good, because I remember when I was locking my hair back in China, I would spray rose water on my hair every day throughout the day. So this would actually be kind of good for if you have locks. If you have locks and you're trying to lock your hair, then this is good. These hand masks are $5.99 for 7 ounces. Hold up, wait. Not 7 ounces, 0.7 ounces. Cause I'm like, 7 ounces, that's a lot. And this is not 7 ounces. You're paying $6 for one set of hand gloves. That's crazy. Who is buying that? Cause it ain't gonna be me. Unless this actually fixes my psoriasis, then it will be me buying it. But as of right now, without seeing any results, who buying this? I would have thought that this would have came with like a pack for that price, but no, you get one set of gloves that you can only use one time for $6 plus tax and the gas it takes you to drive to your Target to buy these. It doesn't say on here how much this cream blush is, but this is cute. Overall, the value for this box is actually really good, especially since I got the $10 off. So I only paid $16 for all of this stuff. This was a really good value. The only thing that I'm not really interested in trying at all is this. This is my first subscription box. I'm gonna say it's a win. Okay, I'm gonna say it's a win. We got $93 cream. This is a good first way to set off the subscription lifestyle. Okay, I want to be a subscription girly. This is my first step. I'll tell you what I did order, or what I did subscribe to. So I subscribed to the Allure beauty box. I subscribed to the Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy Boxy Charm. I'm thinking about upgrading to that Icon box just because they said the value for that is really good. I'm still toiling with whether or not I want to do that. I also subscribed to the Macy's beauty box, the ice cream beauty box, more of an indie box. And then I also subscribed to the P. Louise, which hopefully doesn't come super late because it is coming from the UK. I think that's it. So far, this is a good start. I'm not even gonna lie. This is a good start. If you like this content, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, become a fav bae, and I will see y'all with the next one.